Welcome to Global City Guide. Let's explore San Francisco. San Francisco is a vibrant and bustling city located on the Northern California coast. Known for its iconic landmarks, diverse neighborhoods, and thriving tech industry, it is a major cultural and economic center of the United States. From the world-renowned Golden Gate Bridge and Alcatraz Island to the historic cable cars and Fisherman's Wharf, there is no shortage of things to see and do in San Francisco. The city is also home to a thriving arts and culture scene, as well as a diverse culinary landscape that includes everything from seafood and Chinese cuisine to Mexican and Italian fare. Top 10 things to do in San Francisco. 1. The Golden Gate Bridge is a suspension bridge located in San Francisco, California. It spans 1.7 miles across the Golden Gate Strait, connecting the city to Marin County. The bridge was completed in 1937, and at the time, it was the longest suspension bridge in the world. Its iconic orange color was originally meant to serve as a primer for the steel, but it was later decided to keep it as the final color. The bridge is a popular tourist attraction, and visitors can walk or bike across it, as well as take guided tours. It is also considered a masterpiece of engineering and a symbol of American ingenuity. 2. Alcatraz Island is a small island located in San Francisco Bay. It is most well known for its former federal prison, which operated from 1934 to 1963 and housed some of the most notorious criminals in American history, including Al Capone and Robert Stroud, the Birdman of Alcatraz. The island has also served as a military fortification, a lighthouse station, and a Native American protest site. Today, it is a popular tourist attraction, with visitors able to take guided tours of the prison and the island, as well as learn about its history and cultural significance. It is also home to a variety of wildlife and plant species. 3. Fisherman's Wharf is a lively waterfront district in San Francisco that is popular with both locals and tourists. It is known for its seafood restaurants, souvenir shops, street performers, and historic ships. Visitors can also take a tour of the nearby sea lion colony or board a ferry to Alcatraz Island. 4. Chinatown is a vibrant and bustling neighborhood in San Francisco that is home to the largest Chinatown outside of Asia. It is known for its colorful streets, traditional architecture, and authentic cuisine. Visitors can explore the neighborhood's shops, markets, and restaurants, or participate in cultural events such as the Chinese New Year Parade. 5. Golden Gate Park is a large urban park located in San Francisco, California. It spans over 1,000 acres and is one of the largest city parks in the United States. The park features several lakes, gardens, playgrounds, sports fields, museums, and other attractions, including the De Young Museum, the California Academy of Sciences, and the Japanese Tea Garden. It also hosts several annual events and festivals, such as the Hardly Strictly Bluegrass Festival and the Outside Lands Music and Arts Festival. The park is a popular destination for both tourists and locals, offering a variety of recreational and cultural activities. 6. Cable cars are a historic form of public transportation in San Francisco, California. They were first introduced in the late 19th century and have since become an iconic symbol of the city. Cable cars are operated by gripping a continuously moving cable that runs beneath the street, which allows them to climb steep hills that would be too difficult for traditional streetcars. The system consists of 3 lines that traverse some of the city's most popular tourist areas, such as Fisherman's Wharf, Union Square, and Lombard Street. Today, cable cars are not only a practical mode of transportation but also a popular attraction and a reminder of the city's rich history. 7. The Exploratorium is a hands-on science museum located in San Francisco, California. It was founded in 1969 by physicist Frank Oppenheimer and is dedicated to promoting scientific inquiry and discovery through interactive exhibits and programs. The museum features over 600 exhibits that cover a wide range of scientific topics, from physics and biology to psychology and art. Visitors can participate in a variety of activities, such as building circuits, making music, and exploring optical illusions. The Exploratorium also hosts educational workshops and events for both children and adults. It is a popular destination for families, school groups, and anyone interested in science and learning. 8. The Painted Ladies are a row of Victorian houses in San Francisco that have been painted in bright, bold colors. They are located across from Alamo Square and are a popular spot for photo opportunities and sightseeing. The houses are an iconic symbol of San Francisco architecture and have been featured in many films and TV shows. 9. The Palace of Fine Arts is a beautiful Beaux-Arts monument located in San Francisco's Marina District. Built for the 1915 Panama Pacific Exposition, it features a stunning rotunda, a lagoon, and lush gardens. Today, it serves as a popular event venue and a must-see tourist attraction in the city. 10. The San Francisco Museum of Modern Art is a contemporary art museum. It was founded in 1935 and underwent a major renovation and expansion in 2016, increasing its exhibition space by 3 times. The museum features a diverse collection of over 33,000 works of art from the 20th and 21st centuries, including paintings, sculptures, photographs, and installations by artists from around the world. It also hosts temporary exhibitions, educational programs, and events, such as lectures and film screenings. It is one of the largest modern and contemporary art museums in the United States and a must-visit destination for art enthusiasts. Thanks for watching.